This is our full-page red binder featuring the Squares font. Really comes off nice and bold. It tends to be ordered more for men, I've noticed, but not always. It can be for women too. This binder also has nice ridges on the side. It's a nice leatherette. Includes all sorts of great stuff inside, including recipe card protectors with recipe cards included. You'll see right here there's some dividers, and then on the back you'll see that there is a nice envelope for storing extra recipes in. It's a beautiful binder. And this engraving is very deep and very black. This will last a long, long, long time.